Hello friends, so today we're going to discuss the problem A from the latest Codeforces round 668, problem name Permutation Forgery. So you are given that you have a permutation of length n in which the array consists of all the first 1 till n numbers which are all distinct. As you can see, there's a permutation of length n in which the numbers from 1 till n, which is like in this example as you can see 1 till 5, are permuted. Now what you can see here is, now for a particular permutation P, they have a fingerprint. The fingerprint is such that if you take any two consecutive numbers in this permutation and add them, then you will form some like a new pair of numbers or like new set of numbers. Then you sort them. Then if you sort all those numbers, then the resulting numbers set is called the fingerprint of the permutation. As you can see in this example, if this is the permutation for n equal to 4, then if you take every two consecutive like numbers and add them, then adding 1 and 4 is equal to 5, 2 and 4 is equal to 6, 2 and 3 is equal to 5, and then sorting them out, so it's 5, 5, 6. So this is the permutation. So now what the question statement states that like different permutation can also have same fingerprint. So you are given like some permutation and you have to find out another permutation such that both of the permutations should have the same fingerprint. So like in this example, as you can see, there is a permutation given to you of 6 numbers 1 till 6, and you have to somehow find one more permutation of these numbers such that the fingerprint of this permutation and the new permutation is same. So that's the whole like question statement. Now to understand the logic part, as you can see, if you take every two consecutive numbers, then only like you can form the same number. If you take these two numbers, this will form like 5. Take these numbers, so take 6. So we don't have to like actually disturb their relative positions. Okay, so now what you can easily do here is, if this is the relative position and in the end we have to sort them. Okay, so it doesn't matter that whatever our like position is, in the end we sort them, and that's our fingerprint. So if this is one permutation, if I reverse all these numbers such that it is 1, okay, let's take it 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay, now the permutation is like if you take the summation of both of these numbers, it's 5, 6 and 5. If you reverse this whole array, then it will form like this: 3, 2, 4 and 1. And as you can see, again both of these numbers are like adjacent to them, consecutive. Okay, so that's where if you again like add them, it is giving you 5, like 6 and again 5, and if you sort them, because both of the arrays are same, if you sort them they will be same. So that's the whole logic. Like you just have to sort, or you don't have to sort them, you actually have to reverse this array. The given array, just reverse it out, because that will not change their relative position for every two numbers. You just have reversing it out. So after reversing out, the fingerprint of both of these permutation, like both of these like array will be same. So that's the logic. That's very simple. Just take input of all the n numbers, reverse them, and then just print out again. That's the logic for the first question. I hope you understand. If still may not be mentioned down. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding. Bye.